Morning light touch the road ahead. Road ahead, road ahead. Me breathe deep, what life said. What life said, what life said. No rush step, no backward glance. No backward glance, no backward glance. Me move with chance, steady stance. Me no sprint fi impress the eye. Me walk steady, aiming high. Every stumble teach me more than smooth ground ever before. We carry lesson, drag the load. Each mile shape me code. Me learn patience, beat haste. When goal far and road taste. Them laugh when me taste seems slow, but them nah know. Consistency beat excitement fast. Slow grind last. Me choose progress over nice. Quiet choice. Me no compete with anyone. Me race me own run. Still moving forward. Momentum not about speed, but direction indeed. Small movements still progress sign. When heart align, even past can be part of growth. If mine hold oath, me no stuck in past mistake. Me use them to awake. Each sunrise give chance new perspective true. Me no fear detour bend. Every road teach can, even when path unclear. Me move without fear, still moving forward. Grounded mind, alive, alive. Still moving forward, clear and strong. Carry on, carry on. So me trust the road me choose. Nothing lose, only truth. Only truth, only truth, only truth. Ay, ay, ay. Ember glow beneath the ash, steady flash. Not loud blaze, but lasting heat. Heartbeat speak. Me nah build name with noise and boast. Me focus most. Me plant seed me may not see. For history, legacy deeper than applause. Unwritten laws. Me actions echo after sound fade. Choices made. Me live so footprint remain beyond fame. Me no chase spotlight shine. Me deal line by line. Quiet fire burn long time. True time. Quiet fire light the way every day. Me teach by how me move and stand. Neck command. The value show in small detail. Never fail. Me influence subtle but wide. face alone. Me own, me now wear mask for fit. Crowd tone, no clone, no loan. Me see them copy tone and style, lose themself meanwhile. Me na borrow swagger or vice, me choose authenticity. Cost more, but worth it for sure. My flaws part of me design, not decline. Me sharp edges keep my core, nothing more. Me no trend chase, I'ma create original state.
No borrow identity,
Just me.
no borrow identity.
Authenticity. Me nah edit soul fi approval gain.
Not dead,
That gain.
not dead.
No walk round, me walk through.
Not true,
You knew.
you knew.
My confidence come from inside, not outside. What genuine I need defend, it's stand to end. Time expose imitation quick, but truth stick.
True stick,
Says truth stronger than disguise. Clear eyes,
no borrow identity.
set free.
No borrow identity.
True energy. My face the laugh until get you. Fully true. Na na na. Hear me bread full of memory, ancestry. Every inhale tell me who me be. History living in me. Me roots not only in a side, but in vice and daily kyle. In laughter echo long ago, in tears that silently flow. We carry culture in me chest, heartbeat test, spirit blessed. Even far from where me born, roots keep me warm. Them travel with me every place, invisible grace. Me not forget the path behind, it shape me mind, refine me spine. Roots in every breath me take, never break. Roots in every breath me draw, living law. Me speak truth with accent deep, history keep. Me stance reflect the past survive, still alive. Me honor names me never met, true respect. Rained out whispers soft and slow. Me roots remind me who me know. When storm shake me in a frame, as me breathe and stand. Roots guide me on. Me climb high where the wind them blow. Truth me know, above the cloud. Me spirit free, Jah carry me. Me look on valley, low and wide, no fear inside. Every step me take, Jah show how fi grow. Me start me journey, rough and raw, but me keep Jah law. Storm come down, rain beat hard, still me guard. Me hold me faith tight like stone, never alone. Mountain of strength me trod, guided by God. Them mock me path, them laugh me way, still me pray. Each fall teach me rise, Jah make me wise. No man can shake me will, me climb still. Every scar tell me name, fire flame. Yeah, mountain of strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time. On and on. Me reach the top, me look below, river flow. Me give thanks for the fight me face, grace in place. No easy road for righteous man, still me plan. Me rise from struggle deep, no sleep. Them who doubt me now can see, just set me free. Me shout me praise in a breeze, me find me peace. No pride, no boast me show, me let Jah glow. Mountain strong beneath me feet, victory sweet. Yeah, when me weak, Jah lift me soul, make me whole. Me find power in the climb, sacred time. Mountain spirit call me home, me never roam. Hey, mountain of strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time. Mountain of strength, rise again, wash me pain. Yeah, mountain of strength, Jah unreal, me heal. So when the valley let low me see, me remember me destiny. no strange. We rise in Jah order true, me and you. From Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta people, one vibration, true nation. No border divide we soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta Nation rise, open eyes. Rasta Nation strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the jammers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound, turn around. The youth them carry torch of fire, never tire. Rasta Nation build again from pain. Me see the queen wrap her crown, no back down. King and empress hand in hand, across the land. We chant for justice true, for me and you. Rasta Nation lead the way, new day. No division, no hate, Rasta create. From Africa to world, flag unfurled. Rasta roots, eternal flame. Praise Jah name. Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta Nation rise again, heal the pain. Rasta Nation chant the psalm, keep calm. So when the world lose direction, Rasta connection, one love foundation firm, Jah confirm. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Soft breeze roll through the valley side. Melody rise like a calming tide. Every heartbeat find a gentle flow, guiding spirit where the peace must go. The morning dew respond the land, nature whisper like a healing hand. Fragrance of hope drift in the air, show the people say love still there. Old memories fade as new ones grow. Plant them seeds and watch them glow. Hills echo warm, clear and bright. Draw the weary closer to light, 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 light. Nah, nah, nah. Me eardrum knock under the shade, calling souls where the system fade. Simple moments bring truth alive, teach mankind to unite and thrive. No man stand alone in this place, every smile leave a shining trace. Roots unite like branch and tree, build foundation for unity. River of harmony, carry we strong, flow through the heart like sacred sound. Lift every burden, wash every pain, bring through joy and strain. Voices blend like colors bright, painting peace across the night. Every corner feel the wave, set the timid heart feel brave. The elders chant, wisdom wide, lift the nation side by side. Hold firm, stay strong, harmony guide we all along. No fear, no doubts, let the inner light come out. River of harmony, carry we strong, flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure, guide we forward, soul secure. River of harmony. When night fall, whisper low, remember the river still flow. Hold the rhythm, keep it near, harmony always here. Na na na, na na na.
Na na na, Zion Raga. Na 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 na, Zion Raga. But me rise from the hill and greet the sun. Another day of work begun. Me feel the rhythm in the breeze. I whisper to the trees from the dusk to the dawn. Me trod again with heart so pure and mind so plain. Roots of tomorrow grow from today. Righteousness led the way. My father tell me long ago, plant love wherever you go. So me dig the earth, me plant the seed of unity, not of greed. Them try confuse we with vanity, but truth still set we free. Me chant a song for the weary soul, Jah Light make we hold. The youth them need a voice of guide, no Babylon life can't divide. Me tell them hold on, keep the faith. Better day come, not too late. Me see them fighting for them bread, me see the hunger still spread, but me also see them hearts so brave. Jah children rise from grave. Roots of tomorrow grow today. Jah lead we on the way. No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong. We sing redemption song. Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Me see the Babylon lights flash bright, but them can't hide the night. Me know the mission, me know the code. Rasta trot Pon Zion road. Me carry the wisdom of my kin. Strength come from deep within. Me hold the fire in my chest. Jah give me rest. Elders beat the Naya bingy drum. Chant till the kingdom come. Children dance, woman sing. Joy like the bird pon wing. Me see the roots spread far and wide. Love are the only guide. No man higher than Jah plan. We all one under sun. Me no worry, me no fear. Jah presence always near. The psalm me tell, the song me sing. Freedom in everything, no more hate, no more lie. Rasta spirit never die. Me plant the peace and water grace. Hope bloom in every place. Roots of tomorrow grow today. Jah lead we on the way. No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong. We sing redemption song. Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Roots of tomorrow, hear me say, rise like the morning rain. No people true light of the path for me and you. Me lay me head on the ground, hear the heartbeat sound. Roots of tomorrow start today. Rasta show the way.
Soft and warm, keep me sheltered from every storm. Me tune rise up like distant drum, calling bright future fi come. Me plant me seeds in fertile ground, hear ancient rhythm all around. Roots dig deep through earth and clay, teach me strength along the way. No cloud can hide the rising sun, every dawn a victory won. Me keep me focused step by step, never bow, never forget. Me see the farmer till the soil, hands full of truth, full of toil. Hope sprout wide where effort grow, life expand with gentle flow. Me learn that patience rule the land, success come from steady hand. In every breeze me hear a call, stand firm, don't ever fall. Roots of tomorrow rise today, guide the youth along the way. Plant the joy, plant the peace, let the blessings never cease. Roots of tomorrow, strong and true, shape the world for me and you. Hold the vision, keep it bright, grow the future in our light. Me see the elders gather near, share old tales fi we fi hear. Stories carved in time and space, teach respect and sacred grace. Me honor all them sacrifice, wisdom priceless, can't buy with price. Me carry it like shining flame, pass it on in Jah holy name. Me see flowers bloom by the lane, life reborn from healing rain. Children dance with joy and cheer, future shining crystal clear. Harmony reign from north to south, blessed words from every mouth. New creation start to bloom, pushing out the fear and gloom. Hold strong, hold tight, grow upward to the light. From soil to sky, hope will never die. Unity in every field, love the strongest shield. Roots of tomorrow rise today, guide the youth along the way. Plant the joy, plant the peace, let the blessings never cease. Roots of tomorrow, strong and true, shape the world for me and you. Hold the vision, keep it bright, grow the future in a light. So when the night come cool and slow, remember seeds still grow, life continue steady and sure. Roots of tomorrow forever pure.
bless the tree them every year. Still here, round remember every step, no regret. Them shy areas we come before closed door, but memory live in flesh and bone. Well done. Me line it strong like iron chain, no shame. Youths dig deep where truth remain, no train. Trend come quick, then disappear, not sincere. But foundation lasts through time, strong spine. We not bend for temporary praise, short days. Me stand firm on ancestral line, design. Roots still stand through storm and taste, solid chase. Roots still stand, them not decay. Here we stay. Me speak slow but word them heavy, ready. Silence sharpen more than knives, wise choice. Me not shout fi prove me place, firm base. It's the breathing of me tone, on strong. From bus to dust, but spiritual outlast all. Me walk careful Pamba road land, understand. Roots no train, roots no face, endless days. Them live on when height done fade and shaking. When storm rage and fire fall, roots full of walk peel truth can't break, no. Me say design, roots still stand through storm and taste, solid chest. Roots still stand, them not decay. Here we stay, long after me vibes done fade. Roots remain.
Ay, 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 ay. Oh, 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 oh. Ay, 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 ay. Me hear the wind sing clear, freedom near, drum beat echo through town. Chains fall down, me lift me voice feed the cause. No pause, song of freedom loud and high. Reach the sky, me band fi chant truth loud. No bow to crowd, me voice me only weapon strong. Me chant long, me call out Babylon lie. Till it die, freedom song me melody. Set we free, them try silence me sound. Still rebound, me spirit like fire blaze. Through the haze, no fear me carry, no shame. John name, me chant down wicked pride. Side by side, song of freedom play again. Heal the pain, song of freedom pure and high, never die. Start to sing, voices ring, unity spread through the street. Heartbeat, song of freedom touch the soul. Make we all, me feel the energy grow, overflow. Me see the youth lift them on, take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye. No more cry, freedom, rhythm no stop. Top to top, Jah tune the key of peace. Sweet release, me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice rise, open eyes, song of freedom loud and near. Me persevere, song
freedom play again. Heal the pain. Song of freedom pure and high, never die. Song of freedom carry on till night gone. Song of freedom strong and true. Bless me and you. So when the silence strike control, sing from soul, freedom tune forever play till judgment day.
La la la. Evening falls off Pon Di yard. Lantern glow guard me heart. Night breeze carry ancient tone. Me no alone. Me sip and step with chalice near. Thought them clear. The city nice fade far away. Soul stay. Concrete jungle can't trap me sight. Me reason we deny. Stars them speak in silent code. Show the road. Me read life like open me edge. Wisdom edge. Every scar a verse me earn. Live and learn. Devil chase fast money, lose them root. Me stay true. Slow fire burn more bright. Hold the light. Wisdom Pon Di Breeze. Come light and slow. Teach me things them never know. Wisdom Pon Di Breeze. Calm and deep. Promises me keep. Me see reflection in a smoke. Truth provoke, not illusion, just clarity, reality. Me heart tune like vinyl spin. Old school hymn, roots message echo strong in a song. Moonrise, high life, watchful light, no lie. Me bless the drum where me try. Thank God, silence louder than the crowd. Truth zone. Me not rush the sacred case. Know me place. No clock rule me meditation. Natural vibration. Breath in deep, exhale fear. Vision clear. Wisdom Pon Di Breeze. Come light and slow. Teach me things them never know. Wisdom Pon Di Breeze. Calm and deep. Promises to keep. When the night turn into dark.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Me sit in silence, moon above. Feel Jah love. Me no need no temple tall. Jah in all. Every breath me take me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart, sacred heart. No pastor, no preacher man, only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt, truth come out. Me see the darkness fade, hope made. Jah light glow pure and still.
fi see Jah energy. No diamond, no gold compare. Jah care. Me tell the queen she shine, truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, faith slow, stillness grow. Me find peace pan humble floor, want no more. Jah light reflecting I never die. Me live me truth, me chant, elegant. Even in a star me glow, light still show. Darkness can't defeat the flame in Jah name. Me carry peace through pain again. Jah light within, guide me there, show me way. Jah light within, never dim, forever him. Jah light within, pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within, bless me soul, make me whole. Oh, oh, so when the world seem cold and blind, look inside. Jah light within still burn every turn.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Morning mist rise off the ridge, cover valley, creek and bridge. Me hear far echoes in the breeze, sound of courage that never cease. Me climb the path with steady stride, feel mountain spirit at me side. Strong heartbeat echo through the stones, power deep within me bones. No shadow make me lose me way. Me rise boldly every day. Hilltop wisdom guide me climb, give me strength through space and time. Me pass the cedar, tall and wise, branches reaching to the skies. Forest whispered tales of pride, teach me how to walk with guide. Me hear me pulse, match nature's tone. No, me never walk alone. Through every step, me gain new sight. Hold firm, live upright. Lion of the hills, stand strong. Roar of truth, ancient song. Guard the valley, guard the gate. Lift the people, elevate. Lion of the hills, brave and pure. Hold the spirit, strong and sure. Lead the path where justice live. Show the world what art can give. Me reach a ridge where breeze run free. Feel the force surrounding me. Mountain chant, keep me aligned. Balance body, soul and mind. Eagle circle high above, symbol of endurance love. Every echo strengthen me will, turn me quiet, keep me still. Missy shepherd guide his flock, move with patience, never shock. Careful steps through rugged land, wisdom in his gentle hand. Village children greet the dawn, hopeful future being drawn. Me stand tall on sacred stone, feel the lion in me own. Courage in the air, strength everywhere. Walk walk through. Spirit carry you, no fear, no doubt. Only faith inside an eye. Lion of the hills, stand strong. Roar of truth, ancient song. God the valley, God the gate. Lift the people, elevate. Lion of the hills, brave and pure. Hold the spirit, strong and sure. Lead the path where justice live. Show the world what art can give. When the moon rise over stone, me feel the lion in me own. Strength remain through night and day. Guide me on me righteous way.
Na ganja is the life, yeah, man. Carver sit by morning flame. Chisel sings your holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood, shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace. Light reflect upon his face. Every carving smooth and deep. Spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain the stories run. Carver carved the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code. Path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and hate. Carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born. Light of mercy crowned him on. He carved the lion, strong and wise. He carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory, every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam. Carver build them, judge a dream. No illusion, no deceit. Light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill, Carver carve with patient will. Every piece of world reborn. From the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, his heart is kind. Light of peace dwell in his mind. Every mark a holy vow. Carver live in spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree. Carver bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the song. Carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line, echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve bright and clear. Shape the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, and a flame. Write Jah glory, praise his name. Light Carver, child of peace. Build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never gone. Carver sing creation song. Ever shining pure and grand. Craft of love from Jah hand. Every shape both rough and fine. Light Carver soul divine.
clean and bright, start me life. Ital Morning, strength inside, no natural prop, morning fresh like clean slate. Perfect state, me wash me face in cool water flow. Ready fi go, fruit pan plate, earth pan me hand. Simple plan, life rich when pure and plain, no jail. Me no need sugar fi me joy, natural boy. Herb and food come straight from land. Jah plan, body listen when mind stay still. True skill, every bite a healing verse, no curse. Ital Morning, clean and bright, start me life. Ital Morning, strength inside, that child pride. Born in see bird, them argue pon the wire. No desire, them live free without excess. No stress. Me learn lesson from them way every day. Enough is plenty, well soon fed, well said. City rush can't steal me calm, stay warm. Me move steady, firm and slow. Let them know. Health and wealth behind both shine. Divine sign, Ital living in the clear. Far from fear. When body clean, spirit clean, strong not meek. Food is tired in a farm. Eat Ital Morning, clean and bright, start me life. Ital Morning, strength inside, natural pride. As the sun climb high, I still me heart full.
Ay, ay, ay. Roll a big spliff. We sweat on me lap, yeah, man. Thunder roll, me still strong. Just spirit keep me moving on. Lightning flash, wine a roar. Still me stand pon Zion shore. Me heart no tremble, me no bow. Lion in the storm right now. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me rise again. No chain strong enough to bind. Truth live in a me mind. Them speak loud, but just speak clear. Fear no evil, I am here. Me hold the torch through darkest night. Rasta keep the light. The struggle real, me know the test. But me bless among the rest. Every child bring strength anew. Just show me what me must do. Them throw stone, me build bridge. Them black path, me climb ridge. Cause me no run, me no hide. Just soldier on the side. Lion in the storm, stand tall. fall. Hold the line, chant the psalm. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me where me brethren fall, but me lift him high. Tell him no worry, dry your eye. Me know Jah never forsake. He builds strength from every ache. Me see the rainbow cross the field. Rasta never yield. No weapon form shall prosper here. Me spirit clear. Inna the mountain breeze, me rest. Me heartbeat in me chest. Me look up to the sky and pray. Jah bless me steps today. No matter the thunder, no matter the rain, me chant through the pain. Cause me know the lion living on me soul. Rasta make me whole. Every star must end, every wound jamming. Me stand firm, me hold strong. Me destiny long, fire blaze but me heart pure. Inna Jah love me sure. Lion roar through the night. Victory in sight. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalm. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Lion rise, break the chain. Turn the thunder into gain. From struggle come song. From trial come strong. Jah shield me life, me keep the flame. Forever call Jah name. When the storm cloud fade away, still the lion trot today. Strength and honor never gone. Me live fi carry on. Ooh, ooh, roll a big spliff. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, 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 aye. Yeah, early dawn breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River hum soft like ancient song. Guiding my spirit steady and strong. Me walk by the bank where truth reside. Hear distant drums echo worldwide. Footsteps follow the natural beat. Wisdom rise from beneath me feet. No chain can bind a peaceful mind. The current gentle, pure refined. Every ripple tell me hold the line. Better day sure, coming time. Me sit on a rock and breathe again. Wash off burden, wash off pain. Sunlight dance on the water face. Nature remind me about Jah grace. Birds fly high in perfect sync. Teach me deeper ways to think. In every glimmer, me see hope grow. Flowing free like the river flow. Golden river flow, carry me soul. Lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day. Show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear. Wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true. Let your light shine through. The water whisper, stories old. Tales of courage, brave and bold. Ancestors chant through breeze and air. Tell me always, fi stay aware. Me listen deep to the message.
message strong. Every lesson help me move along. Flowing wisdom, shape me path. Cool me spirit, ease me wrath. Me see fishermen cast them line. Living simple, feeling fine. Village children laugh and play. Blessed presence fill the day. Harmony rise like natural fire, lifting every heart higher. Me give thanks for all me see. Golden river set me free. No rush, no fight, just calm within the light. Every current guide the heart. Every ripple play a part. Bless the journey, bless the flow. Teach me everywhere to grow. Golden river flow, carry me soul. Lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day. Show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear. Wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true. Let Jah light shine through. When the sun fade low and slow, me still hear the river glow. Peace remain inside me heart.